This is the game show called Do You Know Your Chemistry? Now, welcome everybody to this game show. Tonight's topic is bonding. Okay, your contestants are in the left hand corner, we have Ethan. Ethan, introduce yourself.
Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Ethan.
Okay, in the right hand corner, we have CJ. CJ, introduce yourself.
Hey, my name's Ethan. It's CJ. It's
Uh,
CJ.
CJ, over here. Your face,
Oh,
yeah.
oh, this is where the audience is. It's hard to see with these glasses on.
Yeah.
Ethan, I just want to say I'm gonna win because you are stupider than me.
Okay, audience, on a piece of paper, write down 1 being Ethan, 2 being CJ, and at the end of the game, you'll find out who wins. Alright, here are the rules of the game. I will give each side a question. If they get it wrong, they lose 1 point. If they get it right, they get 2 points. They have a chance to get another point, 1 point, if they have a fun fact. Now, at the end of the game, whoever has the highest points at the end will win a mystery box. Now, Ethan, question 1. Which structure has OCOH in a L shape?
Um, think it's carboxylic acid.
That's right. Now, could you give us a fun fact to get an extra point?
Oh yeah, it's often combined with alcohols and other functional groups, as in fats, oils, and waxes.
That's such an interesting fact. Did you know that? All right. Question 2. Curtis, what is the strongest bond?
It's got to be 12.
Ethan, that is your turn. Sorry, CJ.
Jackson, it's obviously covalent bonds.
You're right. Ethan leading by 5, Curtis at 0. Sorry. Next question, Ethan. What are all the structure names?
Carboxyl, Bester,
Uh,
Kent.
that's actually wrong. Curtis.
I've been waiting my whole life for this moment, Ethan. It's carboxyl, ester, ketone, hydroxyl, and amine.
That's right. The score is now 4-2. Curtis, can you add a point by saying a fun fact?
Of course I can. I'm the smartest man on the planet. There should be 6 structures, but propane, also known as alkane, has no functional group.
Wow, I had no idea. Well, now Curtis is only losing by 2 points. If he gets his next question right, he could tie the game. Curtis, what shape does this bond make?
Oh, that's easy. It's got to be a bent shape.
That's right. Do you have a fun fact?
Of course I do. Most people think water is linear, but it's bent because oxygen has not 1, but 2 lone pairs.
Dude, I struggled with that back in my day. The score is now 5-4. Curtis in the lead. Sorry, Ethan. Now, on to the speed round.
Woohoo!
What combinations of elements will form from covalent bonds? A. Metal atoms and non-metal atoms. B. Metal atoms and more metal atoms. Or C. Non-metal atoms and non-metal atoms. Ethan.
It's gonna be C, non-metal and non-metal. And before you ask, I have 2 fun facts this time. One being metal and non-metal atoms make ionic bonds,
Mhm.
and 2, metal atoms and more metal atoms make metallic bonds.
Wow, you got all 3 of those correct. Now you've brought up your score to 8-5. Sorry, Curtis. That means Ethan is in the lead. Now on to the next question. Curtis, what is the difference between a single bond and a double bond?
I learned this yesterday. The difference between a single a single bond and a double bond is the number of electron pairs shared between the atoms. And for my 2 fun facts, the first being single bonds are crucial because they're the backbone for many organic compounds, and the other one being the overlap from double bonds creates a region of high electron dense areas, resulting in a stronger bond.
uh, well, all of those are correct as well. That means you're
Of course.
back in the lead with an 8-9. Ethan, you have one more. Now this is our final question. So if you get this right, you will win this mystery box. Now, what forces when covalent molecular substances melt or boil?
Okay, it's gonna be weak intermolecular forces. And for both of my fun facts, just to secure my win, weak intermolecular forces are also known as van der Waals forces, and intermolecular forces also known as IMF.
Well, damn, that was pretty impressive. Ethan, you are our winner. And you do get whatever is in this box. Now, before I let you go, I have a fun fact. Now, atoms in molecules are held together by an attraction between the nucleus, not just the electrons. I don't know if you knew that, but now the more you know.